Welcome to a rank tracker tutorial from marketingguard.com. Okay, let's dive into this. When you first open rank tracker, you will be presented with this window right here. We will just go ahead and create a new project for now. We'll choose marketingguard.com. Here you will get a list of search engines sorted either by country or by search engine. I'm only interested in the United States Google one right now, so I'll deselect the Bing and Yahoo one and click next. Here is the keywords you want to rank for. I have a list right here. Let me just copy and paste. Yeah, and we click next. Since I already done this before I started this tutorial, it will let me do it very quickly. Here you see the total keywords checked and how many of the keywords you have found in the top 100 results on Google. We click finish and we will see this nice looking view of our keywords and our Google rank, which you can of course sort up and down and by keyword. But I like to see a little bit more information, so I right click on this gray area right over here. I don't like having the numbers on the side, so I'll just remove that. I don't really need the tags because I don't tag my keywords for some reason. So let's look at through the list here, what we have available. So the number of searches, that's always nice to have. The visits and the bounce rate is important. I like to have the competition in there as well, and I like to keep notes of stuff, so I include that as well. And the Google difference is very nice to have. I'll show you what that does right soon. So now we have selected our columns. We click OK. Now we start just organizing a bit so we can see everything nice and clean. Okay, so if you have noticed these columns right here, we have not yet checked, and that means this information is taken from Google Analytics and you have to import that. If you just come over here and click the visits button, it will ask you for your Google Analytics account. Just click yes right here and click enter account settings. I already entered mine. Click next and it will import that for you. You have to select the account that you want to work with as well as the profile and click finish. If you want to import the cost per click stuff and keyword, anything that has Google AdWords, you click enter your information right here or use the same one if you use the same Google account and click OK, and it will go out and fetch that information for you. As you can see here now, those columns are updated, but not these two, because that is under the keyword efficiency stats. If we click on this button, it will grab those as well, and it will complain about me spamming too much. But we don't have to do this because I've already done it, and I will show you on another account. Let's just close this down and import one. You can import a project by clicking open right here or going into the file and open existing project. I'll use this method. Here you have a selection of your folders and stuff. I'll just use this one. As you can see here, here is the Google difference. This means how many places up or down your keyword has improved since the last time it checked it. As you can see here, it has jumped up and down a bit, as well as here. Yeah, in this area right there, down at the bottom, you will get the historical progress information. Like it started off at 3, and then it jumped up at the first place, and then down at 3 again, and then up. Yeah. You can get suggestions for your keywords by clicking on a keyword or multiple keywords. I'll just use one, and clicking on the suggest button. In the keyword research method, you can choose a lot of methods. I'll just use the Google AdWords one, because that's the most relevant for me. If you have any additional keywords you want to enter, you can enter them right here. If not, press next, and then it will grab some suggestions for you, as well as some more information about the keyword, like cost per click and expected visits if you rank for it, and competition and stuff like that. I want to add all of these to my project, so I'll just do that, and it will select the same search engine as the current project. Just click next, and it will go out and scrape that information. Since I have done this so much today, it will complain about the cache and stuff like that, but it won't normally do that. If you want more information on what it's doing, you can click on this tree view right here, or not. Click on right this here, and you get, if you had multiple search engines, it would list all of the search engines under the keyword right here. I only use Google, so it will only show Google at this time. Okay, so let us go into the settings for search and safety settings. It's recommended to enable rotation of search engine data center, which means it will just use random data centers around the world every time, so it doesn't look spammy. Human emulation, I should really have this enabled. This will it will make you look like you are a normal person and go to google.com before you start searching, for example. And human emulation delays are like, before you make queries, you wait like 3 to 6 seconds. The user agents, I just use random one, but you can specify custom one. You can just Google user agents list and find one. Proxy rotation, it's always nice to have proxies. It seems like mine are dead. I'll just remove them. No, remove. Yes. Remove. Yes. And we will go out and check for some proxies. Rank Tracker will check for proxies from various sources, a lot of sources, and surprisingly, most of them are good quality. I won't let this run till the end. I'll just stop it right now, and it has already found some good ones for us. Finish, and it shows you response time, the status, and you can also schedule tasks in Rank Tracker. I will add a new task just to show you. We will schedule the check search engine rankings. This will mean at a specific time of the day it will go out and check for the rankings, so you don't have to like check for ranking every time you open it. It will run in the background. If I close it down now, it will come up here as a little icon, and it will run in the background. So I will choose this one, which is the project I have in the background here. Click on next, and I want this to happen daily at what time is it now? It's like yeah, that's the time right now. I'll automate this for starting at 9 PM every day. every day. Yes. If Rank Tracker misses a task, like if you close it down or turn off your computer, if you check this one, it will run. When you start again, it will run the task it failed to do when you turn off your computer, if that makes sense. So it's always good to have that enabled. Click next and give it a name like check rankings daily. I click finish. You can also run a force run or select a task, like if you click now, it will go out and check the rankings. There is no point in doing it more than once a day because the rankings doesn't update before like 24 hours. You can also edit a schedule task. If you click on the task you want to edit and you click on the edit button right here, it will open up the task wizard where you can edit all of the same task we just showed. So if I wanted to make this a weekly task instead of a daily one, and I only wanted it to run on Mondays, I would deselect all of these and run it on a Monday every week at 9 PM, starting today. Okay. You can also remove a scheduled task by or disable it by clicking this one. So, if you own the enterprise version of Rank Tracker, you can export data like reports and stuff like that, or you can publish reports like to a web server, FTP server. You can mail it to someone or you can save it locally. I also believe you can save it in their cloud. I'm not sure, I'll check. Let's see. No, you cannot. But you can upload it to a website via FTP, send it via email, or save it locally. Okay, so what a report is this is a report. It will give you a nice representation of how your keywords are performing, your rankings over time, your how your keywords are performing in Google. There's various reports to choose from. Like here is search engine comparisons. If I had enabled Yahoo and Bing, you would see those rankings down below here. I only have Google enabled, so I only see them. Here you can see the ranking positions for those keywords and their Google difference since last report. Thank you for watching, guys, and if you enjoyed it, please like, share, favorite. Thank you.